Welcome back to the channel, lads. Today we're starting a brand new project, something that I'm very excited about. The goal with this car is to get us to Goodwood, the Goodwood Festival of Speed. So we have a bit of a deadline. It is currently the 18th of February. We have a bit of a deadline because it is the 10th to the 13th of June. So we have a bit of a deadline, but the car we've picked to bring us on this journey is a Volvo 240.
Volvo thinks the design of a car should be as intelligent as the person who drives it.
So yeah, this is our Volvo 240 that we got. It's full of rust. It's a big job this now, to be fair, but I am super excited for it. This is the car that's going to bring us to Goodwood alongside Lee's Galanza. It's a huge task, but we're both very excited. Whew. Better get you out of the way. Right. Not a fucking bother. She's a big boat, but she's grand. Big boat is an understatement. The next job is to get this car up on the lift, get an oil change, and get some new spark plugs in.
Just get this tray off. I want to ratchet and a socket up on the crankshaft 44.
Oh, it's just broke now.
Broke now, yeah.
Whoops.
Oopsie. Yeah, worry about something like that.
Just the moment of truth.
Yes.
Oh. Yes. Turning freely.
Yes.
Oh, you can't beat the Swedes.
Thank God, huh? I don't know why. I was slightly worried. I don't know why.
I mean, to be fair, she's been sitting for a long time.
Yeah, I don't know why. I was slightly worried.
Nah, man.
No,
Fucking never underestimate the brick.
That makes things an awful lot easier.
There we go. That's good news, lads.
Right. Scrap clean oil.
Look at that.
Huh? Gee. Right.
Look at that. Wow. That's crazy.
That is fucking immaculately clean oil. I'll tell you one thing, right? That car was looked after. She's a genuine Volvo oil filter.
Where is that? Oh yeah, can you see that there?
See that in there? Genuine blue oil, Volvo oil filter.
There we go. See that?
Genuine Volvo.
Just in there. I love that, the yoke.
She was, wasn't she?
And that's why she's going to Goodwood. Now, lads, so as Lee is doing work in the background there, I'm going to show you some of the bits that we actually got with this car. So we'll go through it. I haven't seen all of this stuff, I don't know, so we're going to discover this together. Taillight unit. Didn't realise we had taillight units. Is there a set?
Not sure, but I know you need some anyway.
I know I need one on your side there, right? That's the other one there. So that is a set of brand new genuine Volvo lights, front and back. Brand new front and back. Yeah. So full set of genuine Volvo lights.
I'd say to some lad, if they were genuine Volvo boxes,
Yeah.
I'd say they were worth a fortune, some lad somewhat would pay big money for that.
Well, you're not getting them. Yeah. Full set, genuine front and back. So that's what we got. We got our hubcaps, front and back lights. There is a few bits in the back. We'll go take a look at that now. So a couple little bits, genuine Volvo transmission oil there, so that's great to see. And then just a few little bits. So good news is, lads, this car looks like it was very well looked after. She just was sitting up for a long time. A lot of bad rust here, as you can see, but overall can't complain.
Genuine Volvo filter fluid over the end of it.
No, I don't think it's genuine.
No.
No, it's the only thing that's not genuine. But yeah, genuine Volvo spark plugs. This car was well looked after.
Tighten up that battery there for you. She's nearly ready for her.
Oh, she'll fucking fire with no bother though. She'll run no problem.
No, she doesn't just go. And then she goes back over the shed where she came from.
This video gets deleted.
Never fucking sing again. The end of the Volvo.
No Volvo.
No Volvo. There never was.
Never get that Volvo.
No, never Volvo.
No, we never had a Volvo.
Put on the booster pack as well.
Boost it.
Give her an extra bit of fucking.
Give her a bit of juice.
An extra bit of. Right, go on now. No, there's no spark there still. So there's no spark. Hold on a second. So, what time are we at there? Have you time on you? 1:30. Oh fuck! Right, that'll have to do for today.
So, we got a little bit of work done last week. We basically brought it in, oil change, new spark plugs in. We have a few theories on why it's not starting, but long story short, it's not currently starting. Plan tonight is we're going to start the tear down of this. So this is going to be completely torn down, stripped. Lee is going to start to work on some of the rusted, cutting out and replacing the rust. That's going to take place hopefully next week, but yeah, deadline is fast approaching, so we need to get this car done ASAP.
So it looks like it bolts up here from underneath, inside. There's the bolt. I can feel it. How the roof clock comes down though. There we go. God almighty. I'm looking forward to this now. So not. Bolts in here's the handiest way to get this off, I think. I feel like I should have started with something else other than the boot lid, because the wiring loom for the boot lid runs up through the hinge. I can't figure out what's the best way to take it apart. Oh, where am I going to walk this? Where is the power? It's power. Where's the power? Wiper motor. Tail lights. These bolts in here now, and drop it down and see if I can see it any better. A bit of movement now coming off the boot lid, so I think I have it. I need to get a hand to lift it here though. You know what I mean? Just putting all the bolts back into the hinges to be able to find them easier when we come back to rebuilding the boot back onto the car. Try and make life a little bit easier for ourselves then. So we will. Gonna mark the hinges here as well. Right and left. So that's left hand. Just so we don't forget. Make it easier when we're putting it back together. So now we've the boot lid off, I suppose we'll go and try and take off the door. See how big of a fucking job this is going to be now. This door's deadlocked and not opening. There we go. Good stuff, good stuff. Where's the rest of the fuses in this? Oh, okay. You need to get a glove box down there. Yeah. That little thing that's flashing on the dash is flashing because I haven't got my seatbelt on, I think. Is that why that's flashing? very safe and practical car, these nobles.
It's no surprise that a car this carefully thought out should appeal to people who think.
So, 4 bolts holding the door in place. We'll take them off. Disconnect the wiring limb. Take off this door. We see what sort of power work is needed on the pillars here. Both front air pillars have damage, corrosion on them, unfortunately. Lucky enough, we've spare parts got already for them. So loads of wiring up here. You can see over here the fuse box, all the old type fuses. They're all corroded, so I'm going to have to spend a bit of time cleaning up them points, tidying them up and getting them right. So I'm hoping now in here I'm going to find the wire on the door and it's going to pull out through the pillar. And just to show you the pillar, so there's corrosion on the pillar here, so it has to come out through there, so the wire is going to come out. Thinking the door like the boot will kind of have to come off and be dropped down a little bit so I can get looking at the wire and better. Yeah, I'm going to hold my feet away from underneath that door because that door is going to be an astronomical weight. I can tell by.
I can feel the weight.
You can feel it already. Yeah. You look at all the shims and spaces falling out. So make sure you don't lose them. They do look like just washers that someone put on it, but it's right soft from that pillar.
Yeah. You were saying someone's already tried to repair.
Someone's repaired it already. Look at it. Right bit of patching to be done on this side now. Somebody's put fillers into it here as well before. So,
just a dash out job, is it?
I say when I'm seeing this one now, I'm saying the driver's one's probably not much fucking better.
So as you can see, there's a lot of rust in this car, but thankfully we do have the majority of the bits that we need to replace that rust.
Oh my god, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts up along here holding this wing on. 8 bloody bolts. Oh my god. This is horrendous, the amount of bolts is holding on this wing. Unbelievable. Jesus Christ, like.
What are you saying there? Built like a tank.
I'm just saying there's 8 bolts along here holding the wing on. Like an average car would have, some cars would have 3, some cars would have 4, like. But no, 8 of them. 8 10mm bolts all the way up along the balance here.
Very safe.
Very safe, very reliable, very practical car. Now, just want to keep working my way around here, taking bits off the car as I go. To go off these faded indicator lenses. Hopefully we'll be able to get new ones of these. I think these are the only thing that we didn't get new with the car. New headlights and new tail lights. I don't think we had new indicator lights. Everything seems to be built around itself in this car, so I think the grille needs to come off. Spring loaded clips here holding the grille in place. It needs to come out as far as I can get that to take off. Now let's figure out how to get these headlights out. Everything is just so big and stubborn looking on this car, so it is massively big and awkward looking. So it is no room around it, surprisingly, to see these things. Digging deep into Charlotte's Web here at the minute. There's a few million spiders down here at some stage. So I have 3 10mm bolts in here now in the back of the headlights. Let's get these out. 3 10mm nuts, sorry. We have actually new headlights here for the vehicle as well, so they'll be going back in. All bolts out. Now it's just a matter of getting... Right, that's one light out. Jesus, the size of them lights is ridiculous. Like, that's actually crazy how big them lights are. Mental. So, do you know what the worst of the whole lot is? They're fucking spot welded on, look at. They are. They are, yeah, I don't know what way that works with the front panel and stuff.
Just no wonder these yokes are
bullets, like tanks. Like there's 2 bolts. I'm off taking 2 bolts here, right? You'd think they would be enough, but no. Let's put at minimum 4 spot welds. And I seen them. What scared me is I seen them up here too. Look at them down here. Now, I had me suspicions that maybe that might split away from that down there. You mightn't have to worry about them ones.
Jeez, yeah.
But when after seeing them ones, I don't know how much more of the car I'm gonna have to take the wings off. This is my next fear.
Here's a. Oh God.
No,
you need to get the wings off.
Oh, the wings need to come off to the pillars. Yeah, yeah. They do, surely, Daniel. They do, and they do surely. So whenever you're finished painting next door, start taking the wing off the other side, and let's see who figures out how to get a wing off one of these first.
Why did I buy it, Paul?
Why, like, but they're safe, practical car.
Oh, listen, there's no denying it. It's a very safe, very practical car, but what was I thinking?
I don't know what you were thinking.
So we'll just show you the inside of this car because I don't think you've seen it yet. So it's a fairly high spec 240, to be fair to her. So she's automatic, which is okay. Obviously manual, we might do a manual swap at some stage. We do have heated seats. So down here we've got heated seats. Look at that. You see, there we go. Kenwood speakers on the door. But look at these, and these come out here so you can actually see through the seat, because the Volvo actually makes you a better driver.
It can make you a better driver. You can see through it.
So we've started stripping the inside. Seats come out, handy enough. This center piece here was kind of difficult to get. It's just, there's a lot of wiring and stuff in here, so, and that plastic is so brittle, like where is it? This plastic here is so brittle, so we did pretty good not to actually crack it. So yeah, that's the struggle with this at the minute. I just took these mats out of the bottom of the car. These are like the sound dampening mats, and look at the water just pissing off them. Wait till you see the amount of water that's in this car. Look at this. Look at that. Go fishing in this thing. And that's it. That is the first week of the Volvo build officially done. We've ran out of time. We did get quite a bit done though this week. The teardown is pretty much all done, apart from the dash needs to come out. Overall, car is very rusty, as you can see in that A-frame pillar there, but thankfully we have the parts for that, and the rear panel is not great either. So we do have a long road ahead of us to get this car back on the road. But if you do enjoy this content, please do give us a like. It's the easiest way to support the channel, and if you're new here, consider giving us an out subscription as well. If you've got something to say, if there's anything you'd love to see, leave a comment below, and most importantly, thank you so much for watching.